Hi dear viewers and subscribers, how has your day been? So today is another day where we give you our series on how to make money as a tailor or a millionaire. So today we're going to be looking at how I transformed this material. Can you see pieces left over from making a dress into a lovely piece? But before we get into that, let us look at who won the game challenge in this video. And it is Golden Grace. Congratulations. So do contact us in the Vencraft Academy reception. The link is in the description of this video to collect your prize. So let's dive in to today's tutorial. So here are what we'll be needing: the pieces, of course, left over. Then you'll need your needle and thread. You'll be needing your chalk, measurement tape, scissors, uhu gum, and your elastic band. Now this is 7 inches. Okay, so the first thing I did was to cut them into pieces, straight pieces that I could get. You know, they were in different sizes, different corners. So now what I'm going to do is do running stitches from the beginning, straight up and down. Keep watching and learning. The next step in making an Ankara hair ruffle in the series of making money as a tailor and millionaire is to join the pieces together. In this case, I started from the smallest width and went to the biggest. Is that right? Smallest to biggest, or smaller to smallest. If you haven't attended our brush class 2 and our brush class 3, you in the Vencraft Academy, you might want to join it because it takes you on a step-by-step process on making those Ankara roses and much more. Okay, so the next step, you want to take your elastic band, the round thin elastic band that we cut out 7 inches, and sew to the edge like so. Keep watching and learning. Gaining value from this video so far, please do give me a thumbs up. And of course you don't want it looking nasty behind, or rough rather, so you'd cut out a circular piece of that same Ankara and cover it up like so. And that's how we turn those small pieces of material into this lovely cute Ankara hair ruffle. So before you jump out, if you haven't subscribed, do click that subscribe button and the bell so you get notified of all my upcoming new trainings. There's one coming up tomorrow. I'm sure you don't want to miss it. Okay, so till we meet next time, it's goodbye and God bless. Check out this next video.